You know why we are all here today? Why this virtue baby? How did it strike? What is this virtue baby? I'll share with you something today. That why did I actually move on this journey to take so much knowledge, busy gynecologist, a lot of night duties, 17 years of practicing in a hospital, Max Hospital, the first corporate hospital of Delhi. We did a lot of good work and we did a lot of ethical work there and we're still doing it. And thanks to that constant one thing which kept me stable in these 13 years here, I enjoyed this journey. My son today is 18 years old. And after 18 years, I come to know that what did I miss 18 years back? Being a gynecologist. My mother-in-law is a doctor. My pediatrician in a big hospital, Gangaram, बहुत VIP patient थी मैं. Everybody was very clear, Dr. Nitika is delivering. Had all the best medical facility, but I didn't have the emotional knowledge. It was not there with me. Went into preterm labor, was admitted for 10 days. All doctors were around me at 22 weeks. Fine, people have it. It's a normal thing. हो गई प्रीटर्म लेबर. पता नहीं था तब कि निकलेंगे या नहीं निकलेंगे. बट गॉड इज ग्रेट. फिर आगे बढ़े. बंद हो गया कुछ, बिल्कुल बेड रेस्ट हो गया, सब ठीक. रेस्ट तो हो गया बॉडी को, 9 months निकल गए. माइंड रेस्ट नहीं हुआ, बताया ही नहीं. तो फिर अपने आप जब सोचा माइंड रेस्ट करना है तो कुछ सुनना शुरू किया. कैसे 4 months बेड पे बैठ के जो बंदा सारा दिन रात काम करे क्या करे. तो थोड़ा उस टाइम ओशो सुना. माई फादर इन लॉ गेव मी दोस टेप्स कि तू टाइम पास कर. सुना थोड़ा बहुत, टाइम पास हुआ. बट दैट कॉन्स्टेंट फियर, because there was something else playing here. My mother, she had breast cancer. It was a relapse. And I knew she would go any day like this. She would just slip away from me. I was not sure whether she will see my baby, she will not see. See, I share this with you because that is why all of us are here today. Otherwise, maybe I wouldn't have dived into this depth of birth psychology. God is great. I delivered beautifully. It was all fine. My son is a very loving person. You will see him here. Very caring. I mean, he'll do anything for anybody. All his teachers, they are going to just keep saying, बहुत ख्याल करता है, बस हमें कुछ चाहिए दे देता है. But that sanskar of care was very deeply rooted. But there was a lot of fear with that care. I never thought that I gave him that fear. And all of us were concerned. Why is he having so much fear? Because I had that fear. I was living it day in and out. And the more I read birth psychology, I have read their 100 journals. I have still 500 to go. In that journal, once I was studying, just 2 days back, they said that babies who remember their life within the womb, that count is about 8%. They have proven it. And these 2 studies were done in Japan. And the subjects were, one was in one, there were 300 mothers and the other 250 mothers. And at both, they were about 3%. And at the age of 18, they were 0.2%. But we never ask anybody. Can we ever ask a child of 2-year-old that how do you remember what it was like within? We don't, because we never knew. At least I never knew being a gynecologist. So then I could connect so much. That my child used to have those panic attacks. He used to get up at night crying. I didn't understand what is his problem. And in the morning he used to be fine. It's so much linked because that we created it. I created it somewhere. So I created care with fear. I'm not saying this was the primary reason. But what I'm trying to share is that if we have the knowledge, as a caregiver, if I have the knowledge, I give it to my patient. As doctors, we all know, if today my patient, she is having a problem, she is having some problem at home, she has some relationship issue, she has some health issue, I know it. But how much time do I give to my patient? And how much knowledge the patient has about this so that she can take care? So that is why I thought I have to pack it. I have to package this thing. And it has to be scientific, because when I started reading, it's a huge science behind it. बहुत है, मतलब इतनी लिटरेचर है. सो आज हम सब उसी लिटरेचर को थोड़ा सा समझने में और उसकी बेसिकली उसको हम फील करने में हम खड़े हैं कि अब ये ऐसे ऐसे हो रहा है बिकॉज ये इसका कारण है हमारे पास. डॉक्टर निधि टोल्ड यू सो मेनी स्टडीज, they all valid, but experience tells us that this is happening because it's my own personal thing. So I'm very clear, and I didn't know 18 years later at least I have an answer to so many things which my mind was creating today. So I don't want now people to realize so many years later. So we start at the right time, at the right moment. This is what is development. We take care of, the material content. We take care of substance abuse, we take care of our diet, we take care of other parameters which may be harmful to our baby. But what about the information content? हम वो information content का कैसे करते हैं? Because thought कैसे convert होगी chemically और वो placenta cross करके baby को पहुंचेगी? मैंने अभी कुछ सोचा, आपने कुछ सोचा, पहुंच गया baby तक, कैसे? Thought mind create कर रहा है. ट्रांसमिशन प्लेसेंटा के थ्रू होना है. प्लेसेंटल बैरियर है, बहुत बड़ा बैरियर है, कुछ नहीं जाने देता. नेचर ने बनाया है, हमने नहीं बनाया है. Those thoughts they are chemically transmitted because chemically वो generate कर रहे हैं hormones हमारी हर thought. और साइंस ने कहाँ तक स्टडी किया है, and it's news to me dear. I am sure कि I have so many of my senior colleagues sitting here and I had no clue about it कि जो हमारे ये सारे thoughts जो हम create कर रहे हैं वो हमारे cell walls पे जो receptor proteins हैं उन पे attach हो रहे हैं, वो chemicals जो secrete हुए, and वो they are they are ingrained there, and those chemical transmitters are then passing on to the fetus. But now we change the terminology to our child. We stop using this word fetus. We come on to the child because it is a child. If it can see, it can hear, it can feel, it has a memory, then what is there? It's a miniature human being. So वो बहुत बहुत important है हमारे लिए ये वाली knowledge लेना.